I work in my cafe 7 days a week and then go home and do the admin. It's 4 p.m. I've been here since 5:30 this morning. Service is finished, the machine is clean, but my day's only half done. I have a roster to build for next week, 3 online reviews I need to reply to, and I'm staring at my milk order, guessing if we'll be busy on Tuesday. It's the invisible work that makes me question the rewards of running a small business.
Zeinab runs Cafe on Hague, a successful business in George's Hall. Between penalty rates, managing stock levels, and keeping the Instagram feed alive, she's doing the work of at least 4 people. Today, we're going to use ChatGPT to turn that wing it and see approach into something a bit more structured. Let's start with the biggest headache, the roster. A few things to notice on the prompt. I gave ChatGPT specific constraints. I didn't just ask it for a roster, I told it about the staff, the busy window, and asked it to look out for problems. That helps avoid double-ups or extended shifts that can be expensive later. In seconds, it spotted the rush and scheduled the breaks. Zeinab still needs to review it, make any necessary tweaks, and then send it to the group chat. Now let's look at stock. Zeinab has her covers data from last month, so we're going to ask ChatGPT to spot the patterns. The goal is pretty simple. Order enough to get through the week without over-ordering things that just go to waste. ChatGPT is doing the maths Zeinab doesn't have time for. It's estimating a spike around the festival and flagging that her Tuesdays have been trending upwards. That's helped Zeinab adjust her orders so she can avoid wasting food or running out of stock. That's time and money saved. Lastly, there's the emotional drain. Replying to reviews. ChatGPT can help take the heat out of it and draft something warm, professional, and not defensive. These are the kinds of strategies CommBank and OpenAI are sharing to help take the pressure off your after-hours workload. That way, business owners like Zeinab can focus on the parts of the business they actually love, like the coffee and the customers. Because the best business tool isn't just one that saves you money, it's one that saves your energy too. To keep learning and growing, search CommBank Business Masterclass.